Today, we're going to build a sailboat using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 jumper plate. And the nice thing about the jumper plate, the center stud has that little divot or hole in it. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of these Harry Potter wands or minifigure wands from the Harry Potter series, and you've got that little handle with a nice little rounded end, and I'm going to put that handle into the hole of my jumper plate stud like this. And now I've got the sailboat's body and the mast here, and all I've got left to do is kind of give it some decoration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of these minifigure epaulettes or shoulder pads. I always forget how to pronounce it or name it, but those epaulettes or shoulder pads, and we're going to put it so that the flat end of those epaulettes goes over my minifigure wand and onto the jumper plate. Now you can see this is a great fit. It fits perfectly. It really adds body to my sailboat, but it is loose, so this thing doesn't attach and it moves around. So this is meant for like a micro mock that you're just going to put on display or be part of like a larger mock diorama.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.